In this video, I will show you how to upload a video on Google Drive. To get started, open up a new internet browser and come across to drive.google.com. From here, if you're not already, make sure to log into your account. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side, and in this menu, you want to click onto the new button. From this menu that comes up, click onto File Upload. What that's going to do is open up your computer's File Explorer, where you can locate the video that you want to upload to your Google Drive. So I've got this example video here. What I'm going to do is just select it and then come down and click onto open. So you can see in the bottom right hand corner that the video is now starting to upload. It just takes a minute or two to do so. And once that's done, to locate this on your Google Drive, if you come over to the left hand side and click onto recent, you will find your video at the top of the list. Now, if you want to share this with anyone, if you come to the right hand side of the video, click onto the three dots over here where it says more actions. And from this menu that comes up, you want to hover over share and then click onto share. Now what it's going to do is open a window like this. What you need to do first is set the general access to anyone with the link, and what you can then do is click the copy link button and send that to whoever you want to share this video with. So that's how to upload videos to your Google Drive. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Drive and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.